Hi everybody, welcome back to Hex Token Channel. This is just a quick video to look at the Hedron price moving to new all-time highs. Pretty exciting. And just wanted to do a quick review and then a little price prediction. So at the moment we're still smashing it up there on the daily. You can see that at the moment we are still up really amazingly. And of course we've got as high as so far 1174x. So it's almost a 12x from the low there over the last 7 days. So pretty amazing. And today, of course, we're up pretty ginormous at the moment. The day hasn't finished, but pretty much we're up, 73% on the day. So pretty impressive stuff here. Good volumes flowing through as well on the last 2 days. Looking pretty impressive at the moment. The day's high so far, 5,909. So pretty impressive. Now, if we take the first day, of course, first day we're at a high of 3,184. We've dipped down to as low as 553, so quite dramatic. They're a sixth of the price of the all-time high. So if we double this top candle here, 3,184, that's going to take us to 6,300, and so that's a 6,360. So we're almost about to hit that. So that would bring us a 6,360. That's probably about here. So that's kind of our next target. We already hit the other targets that I've said before, so pretty impressive on that. We already hit the 3,000 target here, and of course that was pretty impressive as well. So let me just put a little amount there for the moment, 3,000. So we already hit that target. So this is our next target here, and I've also in my previous video, of course, I talked about us scaling this up, and we could potentially get even higher. So it's going to be pretty impressive. Let me just full screen this, remove trades there, and you can see that we're going to pretty much get a decent 5x from here. So if we do that, then 5x is going to be basically 5 3s 15. So it's going to be 15, and that's going to put us somewhere up here. So 15, and of course that's kind of the next target after that. So we've got some pretty cool targets. We've got another target in between there though, so 600, and then of course next target being 1,000. So we've kind of got these targets here at the moment. This would be a 5x up here, as I say. So that'd be a 5x from the open, 5x from the opening day. So you can see that here at the moment. So that's what that would be. We'll just make that orange too, and we'll make that a bit bigger. So you can see a 5x there. And of course, we've got the psychological level of the quadruple 01 or 10,000. So that's the next one there. So pretty interesting stuff here, folks. Really powering up, and of course, could see this keep rallying up here. Now, probably quite easy also to see from the opening day to see a 10x. So a 10x would take us not just to 15, but to 30. So that's not unreasonable within the next month or two. We could quite see that happening quite fast, and we'll probably see a bit of resistance around that time. So that might be a 10x up there. So if we copy this, Control C, Control V, and a 10x. So the time frame, of course, always hard to know, but could easily do that within a month or two. So pretty impressive there as well. That's kind of our next target. And we'll just end up going up there like that. So pretty amazing. Obviously, there's going to be some pullbacks in the way. It's always hard to see that as obviously the price goes up. Even people with diamond hands will end up selling some of their large bags. That can affect the price going up. So just take that into account. We have been getting some nice buys in there. 100,000, 200,000 are coming in into the buy stack there. And of course, once it starts getting into half millions, millions, really starts pushing the price up a lot. So pretty impressive on that. If we go to show trades again, we can actually scroll down. We can see someone just sold 16.8 billion for 94,000. So definitely some big money being made. People, a bit of a transfer of wealth there. We can see here 190,000 bought. This is a little while ago for 20 billion. So the numbers are changing altogether. People that picked up a lot really cheap are able to sell it for very big money now. So we will get some sell resistance in there regardless of all the diamond hands in the X-Skin community. Just take that into account. Let's have a quick look at the supply at the moment. So we're at almost 60 trillion in Hedron. So pretty interesting. And of course, we've got our leading wallets here on the top here. So these are the ones that could really start to sell down if they had loose hands. All these ones in here. So just take that into account. So even 20 billion now, as we showed here, even 16.8 will take out 94,000 out of the pool. So it is a pretty big deal. So if we take that into account, we could see that even page 2 there, page 2 is down to 30, and it's the top 100 there. And then if we go all the way down to page 150, so maybe the 175, there's plenty of wallets that could start to drain 100k or more from the wallets there. So some interesting stuff. I think on the first page we've probably got a lot of diamond hand stuff at the top and the holders, so that's probably not too bad. Obviously Origin account, Hex, Godwell, things like that. So a lot of them playing the long game. Probably like to see Hedron up, at the 1 cent or something like that, or $1, or who knows what the price could go to eventually. It's pretty big stuff there. 24 hours we're up 92%, 6 hours up 30%, 1 hour up 16%, and down 5%. So if we actually we'll move the trades here again and have a look at the let's say the 4 hour momentum. We'll scale this up again. You can see how we've been going there on a 4 hour. And if we take it down to the hourly, you can see definitely got on some of the hours, definitely got some red closes in there. So just take that into account. Had a bit of consolidation in here, bit of consolidation here. Then we got some nice big buys in this candle, and up we went again. So interesting times. Next target's kind of that 6,300, and then as I say, next target after that could really have a go for that 1,000. Let's pull the daily up. Could really have a go for that 10,000 zone. That'd be quite something, though. I wouldn't like to just get there within a short space of time. Hey, but this is crypto. Anything's possible. And of course, the time frame that it gets us, it could be sellbacks. If we get any of these big wallets selling, or a whole ton of the smaller ones selling, you could see that happen. So interesting stuff, folks. It's going to be fun to watch, but there it is. That's a quick update there. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Meanwhile, just quickly, Hex is at 12.8 cents, just waiting for the confirmation for the end of the day, confirm the trend reversal. Once we get a nice green candle closing on this, the 10th of March, that should be pretty well too. Well, hope you enjoyed that one. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.